My name is Karen Campbell, and I love mixed media so much. But what is mixed media? Well, it's just simply when you use more than one medium in a piece of art. Why do I love mixed media so much? First of all, you can literally use whatever the heck you want to make your projects. Secondly, it doesn't matter how old you are or how young or what your experience is or what your background is. I wanted to study monkeys and be the next Jane Goodall when I was younger, and it doesn't matter. Anybody can do it. Don't make fun of me. Monkeys are cool. The good news is that despite what you think, you don't need to be born with a paintbrush in your hand in order to learn this stuff. I didn't have a background in art at all, and I dove right in as an adult after becoming a parent because I just loved the way it made me feel. And once I learned how easy it was to grasp certain drawing concepts, it was not too long before I started getting really good. And if you follow the simple tutorials I provide on my YouTube channel, it won't be long before you are really good too. So if you're interested in honing your drawing skills, playing in your art journal, and learning more about making mixed media magic instead of a mess, please subscribe and let's get this art party started!